Hello dear customers, I welcome you all again on behalf of Jishakaftan J Line. Here we are presenting today yet another edition of your most favorite and most loved catalog, the Kurti Kaftan. This is volume 6, 8 new designs, 8 new concepts, 8 very beautiful prints I'm going to show you right now. You can see this is the first print in the blue color. You can see the shadow print in it and the wood carving effect of this gold color in it. Makes it a very beautiful design, a round neck in this, beautiful wood carving 3D effect in this design. This is the second design, multicolor beautiful design, just like a watercolor print on it. It looks like a hand print design, but this is the real magic of high definition digital printing. See, you can see the beauty of the design. It's wonderful. And see the beauty of the design. The third one, extraordinary black design with a negative shadow print on it, and above all this, look at this neck, look at this neck. This is like a sequin work, but this is not embroidery, this is just a print, and this print looks gives you a look of just like embroidery. Round side border, 4 side borders in this of the matching neck. Design number 4, like stitching print on it. Prints looks like stitch. You can see the 3D effect of it, and ornamental neck, jewelry neck on this this one. Very sober in color, very beautiful design. And this, look at this one, look at this one. Pure geometrical design, pure geometrical. See the merging of the colors, blue, dark blue, light blue, and khaki or triangular design. Very beautiful and good looking design. Wow, wow, just look at this. Light steel grey, shadow print, and ornamental chain necklace like print on it. 2 side border on it of the same print in a smaller size, and you can see the 3D effect on this design. This looks like a 3D print. Yet another 3D print design. Yet another 3D print design. Just look at this. So beautiful, so sober and elegant with bright colors on it, on the bottom and at the borders. An abstract design at its best. White, off-white, sea green, black, yellow, orange. All colors merge into one design, and this looks like a sand painting, as you know, sand art print. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the 6th edition of Kaftan Kurti, your favorite Crepe Fabric. Very durable, very gives its colors a very enhanced look, and a very durable fabric this is. So please place orders, and please don't forget to press the bell icon under the screen, so you can get the notifications of our new catalogs every time. Thank you so much.